Hi everyone, so it's Carl here from Pompeii Sleep Vlogs. We are on the 8th floor of the Taj here in Mumbai. So you can see a beautiful lift area here. Let me show you. There we go. And as I said in the earlier video, we got upgraded, which means we had free use of the club room. I just wanted to show you our room, give you a little room tour. So here we are. Smells absolutely divine here, by the way. Really, 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 really nice. So yeah, say we're on the top floor. And here's our room. I think I've gone too far. I've just got lost. Here we are. See that? Here we go. Here's our room. The lighting's a bit dark here. We haven't sussed the lighting out. I've only managed to suss the lighting out for the bathroom. But anyway, let me show you the spectacular view first of all. So like I say, we're on the top floor of the Taj Palace here in Delhi, India. Cannot wait to see what this looks like in the evening when it's all lit up. Just down there, that's the entrance to the Taj Palace. And there are some beautiful gardens as well, so we will be exploring those a bit later. Like I say, we got an amazing deal here. Absolutely fantastic, but I'll tell you a bit more about that later. But this is the bed. Absolutely huge. Let's give it a little test. Oh yeah. After nearly a 10-hour flight, I could stay here. Anyway, I can't. We have far too much to be doing. So, comfy chairs here. Little desk area. Little writing table that pulls out. Where you can sit and enjoy that fantastic view. Oh, you get given these when you arrive, little necklaces. I don't know if you can still see the red dot on my hair. Oh yeah, still there. Therefore, health and wellness. So that was really nice. Very fresh. Oh yeah, beautiful fresh flowers there as well. Nice little footstool here. Some artwork. Nice desk area. I'm going to do some work there. Nice big flat screen TV. Some more artwork. One hubby. And you have a mini bar over here. Let me just show you the mini bar. Okay, let's have a look. Did I get in here? Here we go. This is not complimentary. Here's some beers, some wine, Coke, Sprite, Red Bull. All your normal bits and pieces. There are some crisps and yeah. Got some cookies there. tea, coffee making facilities here. Let's have a look at that. Oh, there we go. What have we got here? So, little Tetley, Earl Grey, signature Asman, that's how you say it. Coffee, creamer, sugars, kettle, your glassware. Oh, don't break it. Oh, price list for your mini bar. There's also a private bar menu here as well. Yep, won't be having any of that. Water, I believe that's complimentary. Not entirely sure. See aircon here as well. If we have a look over here, so area to hang up your bits and pieces, carpet hangers, not branded, just generic. You've got your safe, and I do believe it's really difficult to get into some of these cupboards. So your laundry here, obviously that's an additional cost. We've got some slippers, large and medium. Let's have a see if we can get into those. Oh. Okay, so yeah, that'll do. Some generic slippers there, so I can make use of those later. Dressing gown now, and a nice floor to the top of this wardrobe. Mirror, nice dressing gown. There is only one. We did ask for another one to be provided. They just said they'll send it up to the room. It's not been done yet. But like I say, plenty here. Like I say, safety deposit box. Yeah, so plenty of storage. And now for the bathroom. So you can see here, a massive bath. Absolutely huge bath. Now that is so deep. And I'm only 5 foot and a bit. And I think I'd struggle to get in and out of that, if I'm being honest with you. But yeah, that's your bath. It's nice and clean. Shower head there. Towel. More towels. Shelving. A massive mirror. All nice and clean. Big shaving mirror there. Tissues. Little drawers here. You've got like there's combs, toothpaste. What else have we got in here? Shaving razors. So if you have forgotten anything, you're fine. Yep, toothbrush. Very well presented here. What have we got on this one? Oh, soap, shower gel, body lotions. Very nice. Flannels, glasses. Nice sink here. Is there anything in there? Oh, no, nothing in there. Oh, hairdryer. Small hand towels here. Nice clean. Toilet area. Oh, telephone in case you have an emergency whilst on the toilet. Shaving plug. All very well covered. And then the shower. So it's a rainfall shower. Then another little one there. Let's have a look at the shower. Oh, goodness me. Okay. Seems quite nice. I don't reckon you'd get any more than about 2 people in here. We have hair cleanser, hair conditioner. What's this? Oh, and shower gel. So there you go. You're very well covered. Yeah, not bad at all. We're only here for one evening, so we're going to make the most of it. We have, we've just had high tea, but and that's because we got upgraded, which was really, really kind of them. And we've also got a buffet dinner later on this evening, which is served from 7:30 to 11:30. So we'll be looking forward to that. Like I say, plenty of more storage down here as well. I don't know if I can open these. Yeah, there you go. Nice clean carpet. I have to say that everything is very clean. It's very nice. Reading light here as well. And here you can put down your blackout blinds, turn off your lights, turn on your night lights, a downlight, your floor lamps. And the masters say you can just lie in bed and you don't have to get up and turn off individual lights. Oh, hubby's got a tickle in his throat. But yeah, as you can see, absolutely fantastic. We will show you more of the hotel, of course, and the grounds. They do have a pool here, a gym. Look at this clock there. All leather and branding there for the Taj. Little writing area, pencil, and yet again on the side of the bed you've got your reading light, and yeah, and all your controls here to control your room, which is fantastic. Floor to ceiling curtains. Yeah, so there you go. So yeah, loads more to come. We're only here, like I say, for 24 hours. But yeah, we got a really, really good deal on the room. It came in for us for £190. So it's probably about $200 and 2,225 rupee, I think. So around about that. So, you know, and like I say, that was half board. And when we arrived, we got upgraded, which meant we got free access to the club rooms, which we had high tea in there, serving sandwiches and little treats, tea, coffee, cold drinks. And like I say, in my previous video, you see that there's also a smoking room there if you smoke, which is really convenient. Also included as well as a happy hour. Yeah, so yeah, it's absolutely, if you can just indulge a little bit, I definitely recommend a stay here at the Taj Palace here in Delhi. Like I said, we did get a discount through booking.com, so it's not a paid promotion, so nothing like that, but very well worth the money. And like I say, we will show you around and show you as much of the hotel as we can. Really excited to see the pool area and the grounds. Yeah, so we're really, really looking forward to that. So yeah, we're going to leave it there. Oh bless, hubby's had a bit of a cough lately, so yeah, I think it's sometimes when you're on the aeroplane you get that tickle, right? But anyway, that aside, yeah, join us for more videos here from the Taj Palace. As always, please like, please subscribe. We really appreciate you watching our videos to the end. Really helps support the channel. Look after each other, stay safe, stay well, and until the next video here from the Taj. Car out. Bye.